Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring your Zepto account is ready. Sign in with your phone and OTP, then open Wallet and Rewards to see available offers. Once done, link a payment method, card, UPI, or Zepto wallet, because some gift card redemptions require a verified payment source. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Updates often unlock new promotions. Now locate the Coupons or Rewards menu. You'll use that space to claim, stack, or convert offers into a gift card. Once in Rewards, filter for gift card or cashback deals and scan the list actively because high-value offers can be limited. Tap Claim on the offer you want and read terms. Check min spend, expiry date, and whether it combines with other promos. This prevents surprises at checkout. After claiming, you either apply the promo code at checkout or convert the reward into a stored gift card in Wallet. If conversion is supported, confirm the amount and finalize so the card appears under Wallet. To complete the purchase, open Wallet at checkout, select the gift card and apply it. Confirm the balance and the discount before placing the order. If the code fails, pause and recheck the terms, expiry, minimum spend, and whether the offer excludes certain items. Next, ensure your app is updated and you're logged into the same account. If problems persist, contact Zepto support with your order ID and screenshots. They can validate and reapply or issue a refund, which resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.